Choo-choo goes the rainbow train, rolling through the sun and rain. Climb aboard, don't miss your spot. Colors flying, oh what a lot. First we stop where apples grow, red and shiny, row by row. Orange bees hum near the tree, buzzing round so happily. Next we find a yellow sun, warming hills where lambs do run. Greenest grass from hill to hill, jump and play, don't stand still. By a lake so deep and blue, fish go splash in paddles too. Then comes night, indigo sky, stars and owls are flying high. Last stop now, the moon is bright, time to say a sweet goodnight. Blankets soft in violet hue, rainbow dreams will come to you.